Hello everyone, welcome to the lab on installing the Parrot security based Linux operating system. So we are going to create a virtual machine Parrot. It's a Linux based. Okay, you need around 2000 MB. It depends on how much RAM you have. If you have less RAM, then give less, and also just see to the hardware requirements. So storage 20 GB. So first of all, go to the Parrot download. Okay, there you go for security edition. Security edition is a special purpose operating system designed for penetration testing and red teams. So in that you download this. It is around 4.6 GB. Okay, already I have downloaded. Already it's there. Where is it? It's here. So now let's do the installation. Then start. Try and install. Just wait for some time. So now the Parrot has loaded. Then you can see the installation icon on the desktop. Just double click. So give the login name. So it will take some time for the Parrot installation to finish. Until then I just pause the video. So now I think the installation is finished, so I click that done and system is getting restarted. So just power off. Start. I just went after the installation optic drives. I just unmounted the ISO file. Okay, so I just removed this ISO file, unmounted, and now the Parrot is starting from the installation. Already it has installed in the virtual disk, so it's booting from the disk. So after the installation, don't forget to remove this, unmount this ISO file. Okay, unmount the ISO file and then you can restart the system. So we are logging in into the Parrot. This is the first time I am using the Parrot system. Okay, earlier we used to do the ethical hacking concepts using the Kali Linux, but this is going to be a new experience. So okay, let me change the adapter. So it's always when you do the do the installation, it's better sudo apt get update okay. So this adapter, if you want to scan something in your in your local area network, okay, in your home network, then you can put in your bridged adapter. Okay, so now I put if config. Okay, reboot, just rebooting, and also I'm starting the XP, and so XP also I am changing the network adapter to bridged, so that from Parrot we can detect the XP. So this is our Parrot mission. So it has got the IP from the home network, local area network, through the bridged adapter. So I'm just logging into the client machine XP. Okay, so I config, this is 1.20. so nmap, just let's do a simple scan. So just we are doing a simple nmap scan over the XP machine. So SA means ACK scan, acknowledgement flag based scan. Okay, so these are the details that has returned. So now students, from this video you would have understood how to download the Parrot, which version you have to download, and then how to do the installation. Then after the installation, how to change the network adapters, and then how to utilize the applications, different programs which are available in the Parrot for the purpose of penetration testing and other security based concepts. So you can go to Pentesting here, and you have plenty of tools available for sniffing, wireless testing, exploitation tools, vulnerability analysis. Okay, so let me check this. No, it would be a big task. Let's leave for a separate lab on the OpenWAS green board. So this is what I want to convey to you through this video. Thank you very much.